Good day, class. So today we'll still discuss about graphing a linear equation by plotting points. So we'll still follow your learning target. So we have graphing linear equation by plotting points and solve the solution in standard form. So for this day, we'll still follow the steps that we have discussed earlier, but we'll have a different kind of problem. So this is our first problem. So solve for the x and y of linear equation y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 4. As you observe here, you have a fraction form in your y form. So we have a numerator and the denominator. So I still follow the steps. We'll just add a little bit of our instructions. So step 1. Find 3 points whose coordinates are solutions to the equations. Choose values of x that are multiples of the denominator. So when we say multiples of the denominator, pwedeng ma-divide yung inyong denominator. Pwedeng ma-divide ang inyong denominator. So in this case, our denominator is 3. Andito. Yan. So we can have the multiples of 3, which is 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. We can also have a negative numbers. Negative 3, negative 6, negative 9, negative 12, and negative 15. We will just choose 3 among of them. So we have at least 3. You can choose 3 more, but we'll just have 3. So let's have, or you can have 3, negative 3, and positive 6. So we will just substitute the values of your 3 values of x in your equation here. So y equals to 1 over 3x plus 4. So since our first x value here is 3, we will substitute your 3 in the equation. So if your x is 3, x is equals to 3. So we have y is equals to 1 over 3. Yung x nyo dito, papalitan natin ng 3. So this now will become 3 plus 4. So just simply copy the numbers in your original equation. Papalitan lang natin ay yung x. So yung first x natin is 3. So then, we will now multiply. So in multiplying this, first we multiply the numerator 1 to your x value 3. So 1 times 3, that is 3. Copy your denominator 3 plus 4. So, ito yung rason bakit tayo magbibigay ng values of 3, which is multiples of your denominator, para madali nyo lang ma-divide. So, we have 3 divided by 3, that is 1, plus 4. So, you can have y is equals to 5. Next value of 3. Daan na tayo dito, negative naman. So, if your x is negative 3, sorry for my doggies, y is equals to 1 over 3x plus 4. So, in this case, yung x natin, papalitan natin ng negative 3. So, 1 over 3 times negative 3 plus 4. Then again, multiply nyo muna ang numerator sa inyong value of 3. We have y is equals to 1 times negative 3, that is negative 3 over 3 plus 4. Then, dito tayo, continue tayo. Y is equals to negative 3 divided by 3, that is negative 1 plus 4, and that is y is equals to positive 3. In rule of integers, when you are adding or subtracting unlike signs, subtract and copy the sign of the larger number. Lastly, we have x is equals to 6. So we have, let's put a line here para may border line tayo. Y is equals to 1 over 3 times 6 is plus 4. Then y, 1 times 6, that is 6 over 3 plus 4. Now divide 6 divided by 3, that is 2 plus 4. So we have now 6. Now after solving your 3 values of x, lalabas din ang 3 values of your y. If your x is 3, after solving your equation, your y now becomes positive 5. If your x is negative 3, your y now becomes positive 3. Ito. And if your x is 6, lalabas din your y is equals to 6. Now, let's put it in our organizational chart since di kasya. Next slide tayo. Okay. Now, earlier, we have to plot. We have solved. So, let's now put the points on our rectangular coordinate. So, first, we have the ordered pair 3 and 5. So, plot natin 3 and 5. Ito yung 3. Nandito si 3. In your axis is positive. Nandito ang 3 sa inyong area. Andito. Yan. Then, your x is 5. So, nandito. So, plotting, nandito ang inyong point. Then, second is negative 3 and 3. Negative ang x, positive ang y, nandito. Then, next, we have 6 and 6. Both positive. After plotting the 3 points, you have to draw the line through the 3 points, by extending it the line, and put arrows both sides of the line, indicating na true and true or continuous ang inyong equations, or inyong line rather. Next, more examples. So, in this case, kayo ang magsosolve. So, we have y equals to 2 over 5x minus 2. I will give you 5-10 minutes to solve this one. After that, we will go back, or you click on the video, the next video, to see the right solution of if your answer is correct.